Hi guys, so Ngino Simpiwela, and he's telling me something very shocking. Ngitshela ukuthi niyamkholwa yini.
So mkhulu wami inkosi ilanga wanamakhosazi awu-68 obviously mhlawumbe nabanye and i-list I saw i-list obaba bebewu-65 o-anti bewu-134 and ithiwa ziningi ezinye zashona.
Iy'ngane zazingaki?
O-anti shuthi abesifazane babe-134 abesilisa bewu-65. What's the number? That's 209.
I'm not even counting right now. I'm just confused.
299. Yeah.
Amakhosikazi awu-68.
199. Amakhosikazi awu-68, but obviously khona abanye Chinese. That's why
Zancinza.
i-reign yakhe ifaniswa biblically ifaniswa nekaSolomon because waphatha for 40 years, wahambe na-70. So that's the history.
So mkhulu wakho basically had sex like every day.
Uyena wakhanda isibongo sakaShembe. Simply we are the first generation isibongo sakaShembe. Asikho emlandweni wabaZulu. Do you know that? Siqale ngo-Isaiah.
200 and something children, 68 wives, and grandchildren.
That's why kungabatshazi uma uthola ingane. Oh, beka lapha.